Strung out on lasers and slashback blazers, and ate all your razors while pulling the waiters, talking about Monroe and walking on Snow White. New York's a go-go and everything tastes nice. Poor little greenie. Ooh. Get back on it. Genie lives on his back. Genie loves chimney stacks. It's outrageous, he screams and he bawls. But Genie, let yourself go. Sits like a man, but he smiles like a reptile. She love him, but just for a short while. She'll scratch in the sand, won't let go of his hand. He says he's a beautician, sells you nutrition, keeps all your dead hair for making up underwear. Poor little greenie. Ooh. The Genie lives on his back. The Genie loves chimney stacks. It's outrageous, he screams and he bawls. But Genie, let yourself go. So simple-minded, he can't drive his module. He bites on the neon and sleeps in a capsule. Loves to belong, loves to belong. Waiting for, and my time was running wild, a million dead-end streets, and every time I thought I got it made, it seemed the taste was not so sweet. So I turned myself to face me. I've never caught a glimpse how the others must see the faker. I'm much too fast to take that test. Change it. to be a different man.